Hello, Scott here with Peel-Tek, and I just want to show you all what we're doing here. We got my beautiful wife, Monica. She's installing tile, and what we've done is we have protected this countertop with Peel-Tek prior to the install of this tile. And you can see where we've gotten a bunch of trash and thin set and all over this countertop, and it's going to be nice and clean when we pull it this Peel-Tek. And it'll protect it. We also coated the bottom of this sink so nothing could fall in that, chip it, scratch it. Anyway, there you go. One more use for Peel-Tek. Morning, y'all. Scott with Peel-Tek, and this is Monica, my beautiful, lovely wife. She's going to demonstrate after we've done all of our work and we've messed up the top of this Peel-Tek, how nice the countertop looks underneath the Peel-Tek. So here we go. Okay, honey. Pull that Peel-Tek off. See how nice and clean that countertop is after all that construction on top of it? And folks, that's as easy as it gets right there. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Here we are on an outdoor kitchen project, and as you can see, the technician is brushing it on with a paintbrush. Very easy to apply, just like paint. He'll then let that dry. You can let it set overnight. You can hit it with a fan, and it'll be ready to use in about an hour. By the way, he's painting that over rough sawn cedar. And now you can see, and the reason they painted that was to keep the mortar from staining the cedar. And now he's peeling away the liquid masking, the Peel-Tek. And as you can see, the rough sawn cedar is nice and clean. No worries about cleaning it using acid, hitting it with a wire brush, and still having stain on your wood. Howdy, my name is Scott. I'm with Peel-Tek, and we're here today to show you how we mask trim using Peel-Tek, and we have a little extra special part of this that I think you're going to appreciate at the very end here.
It's like a door.
So, it's like a door. We've done a mock-up here so that we'll give you an idea that, you know, it's a little bit smaller than a door, but it's pretty close. It'll give you a real good idea of what we're doing and how this is done. We're going to time this as well to see how, once you time it there. Clayton?
You're using a broad knife.
We're using the broad knife to get
The edge of the
Peel-Tek in. You can see how good of a job that's doing right there.
It does a really, really good job of.
Yeah, you see how well that's, how tight that's getting. Okay, now, for those of you who want to use paper, because you want to prevent overspray from getting over the rest of the door. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come down the face here a bit. You don't have to do the whole thing. Just get a portion of it. But you really want to get this outer edge good. Tell you what I think I'm going to do here. Before I do this other leg, let me go ahead and you just rub that into the wet Peel-Tek. There you are. And oh, by the way, this is the first time I've used this system. And let's say you want to get your paper to stick over here. Just run a little dab, put it in. Run a little dab, stick her in. Good to go. Now let me finish the other side here. And there you have it.
A mask door, how long did it take?
Masked up. Perfect mask on the edges here. No bleeding. Paper up.
It's ready to spray.
Ready to spray.
Or roll or brush, whatever.
There you go. Thanks from Peel-Tek. Okay, now we're going to peel the paper and the Peel-Tek off and see how well it masks for us.
Performed.
There's still some in there that needs to be peeled off, but I kind of jumped the gun a little bit. It's still a little wet.
Paint's still wet. That's all right.
That's okay. We get the idea here.
Let's see how clean that mask that was. That's pretty impressive. There isn't any bleeding. There it is.